Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So first I will review this product and then I will move on to the swatches, and at the end of this video I will create a makeup look with all of the L'Oreal products I have. So if you're interested in seeing what are my thoughts on this product, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Now without rambling much, let's just get into the review. They say it's a 24-hour log wear foundation with demi-matte finish and air-light texture, very breathable on the skin, and they do come in 10 different shades, but the shade 109 I believe it's not available in India, and I don't have the shade 109 Classic Tan and 110 Cream Cafe. These two are the two darkest color from this range. Now L'Oreal was kind enough to send me rest of the 8 shades to swatch and review in front of you guys so that you find it helpful. Now they have slashed their price to 750 rupees and you can get it on around 20 to 25% discount on Nykaa.com, and because of its undertone it's suitable for all of the Indian skin tones. Now let's talk about the packaging a bit. It comes in a tube kind of format and you are getting 30 ml of product in it. Now this comes with a twisted black cap packaging, and this is very travel friendly. You don't have to worry about the leakage and the breakage while traveling. Now they are waterproof, smudge proof, very easy to blend and very lightweight on the skin. You won't feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. Now it's a perfect foundation for summer. It stays all day. It's super duper matte. It's smudge proof, budge proof, it's sweat proof. It doesn't transfer at all, and it doesn't feel heavy or cakey on the skin, and it doesn't feel oily or sticky or greasy on the skin at all. Now they say it's a demi matte finish, but I would say it's more of a powdery matte finish. It gives a very beautiful powdery matte finish on my skin, and I really like that finish. And the most important thing is you don't have to set it with a loose powder or a compact. I mean, you can if you want, but I don't feel like using a loose powder all over my face. I just set my under eyes and on my T-zone, the area that gets oily the most. And this foundation is a blessing for oily skin girl. If you have super duper dry skin, if you have dry patches on your skin, then I would say use a thick moisturizer underneath and then use it. Otherwise this is gonna make your face more dry, and this is gonna cling on your dry patches, and that doesn't look good. So if you are from a dry skin family, I would say either use a good moisturizer underneath or you can skip this foundation. But if you have combination to oily skin, or if you have super duper oily skin just like me, then this foundation is for you. Now I have been using this foundation from last year or 2018 I think. I used to like this foundation in summer because I get really oily on my T-zone, and this foundation didn't smudge or budge. But one thing I didn't like about this foundation was it used to oxidize on me, and I used to use the shade 103. But now that they have reformulated the foundation, I am mixing 103 and 104, and I believe I am kinda in between these two, like I am 3.5 or something, I don't know. This is a little bit lighter on me and the 104 is a tad bit darker on me, so I'm mixing these two to get my perfect shade. And the most important thing that I like the most is after reformulating the foundation, it doesn't oxidize on me at all. Like as you can see, I'm wearing this foundation on my face right now, and I have used a setting spray, and it's been a while that I'm wearing this, but it doesn't oxidize on me anymore. And I will give a little bit of wet test in between this video, like either in between or at the end of this video, so that you guys can see. For me in summer, Stylo Double Wear foundation is something I swear by. I really like that foundation, and I use that when I go out in summer. So after using this reformulation, I think this is gonna be a good substitute for that. So I don't know what else do you want in a foundation. Now even if you belong to the oily skin family, I would still suggest you to use a good moisturizer underneath, because this is super duper matte foundation, okay, and this is gonna make your skin look a little bit dry. And if you don't use any moisturizer underneath, this is gonna look a little weird on you. So I would suggest that use a moisturizing lotion or a moisturizer. If you want something very lightweight, you can use the L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence as well. That's very lightweight and super duper summer friendly. So so you can use that as well, but use something moisturizing underneath this foundation, and I am sure you will love this. Now, as I mentioned, they say that this is a demi matte finish foundation, but I would say it's not. It's flat matte, but it has a very beautiful sheen to it. Like after applying it, you can see it has a very beautiful sheen to it that doesn't make your face look flat matte. It's matte, but it doesn't look matte on your skin. And so you can see after applying it, it looks a little flat matte, but after 2-3 hours, if you have super duper oily skin, your natural oil kind of mix into that foundation and it looks even better, and it stays on me around 9 hours or so. So I haven't tried it for 24 hours. I don't wear my makeup more than 10 hours, so I tried it for around 9 hours or so, and it worked beautifully on my skin. It was intact until I removed it. So I can say that if you are a office going girl or if you are a college going girl, this foundation is gonna stay on you from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now I'm including a picture here. That day I wore this foundation from 2 p.m. to 11:30 until I went to the bed. It was quite intact till 9 p.m. or so, and then I noticed it started getting a little ashy on me. It was not too much, but it was looking a bit ashy, as you can see the last picture. And I'm including few selfies as well so that you guys can see this foundation looks beautiful in pictures. With the review and swatches, let's move on to the makeup look. it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And yeah, let me know what you think about this video. If you find this video helpful, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.